Understanding camping permit. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the phrase camping permit. This is an essential topic for anyone interested in outdoor activities, especially camping. Understanding this term is crucial for respecting nature and following local laws. So, let's dive into what a camping permit is and why it's important. A camping permit is an official document or authorization that allows you to camp in a specific area. It's a way for local authorities or landowners to manage and protect natural areas. These permits often come with rules and guidelines to ensure the safety and preservation of the environment. Obtaining a camping permit is important for several reasons. 1. Environmental protection. Permits help in preserving the natural beauty and wildlife of the area. 2. Safety. They ensure that campers are aware of the local rules, which are designed for their safety and well-being. 3. Capacity control. Permits can limit the number of campers in an area, preventing overcrowding and damage to the environment. Getting a camping permit usually involves 1. Research. Find out if the area you plan to camp in requires a permit. 2. Application. This can often be done online or at local authorities' offices. 3. Fees. Some permits may require a fee, which goes towards maintaining and protecting the camping area. 4. Follow the rules. Make sure to understand and adhere to the guidelines provided with the permit. Camping permits often come with specific rules, such as campfire regulations, to prevent forest fires and protect wildlife, waste management, guidelines on how to dispose of waste properly, noise levels, to ensure a peaceful environment for all campers and wildlife, stay limits. Many areas have a maximum number of days you can camp. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of a camping permit. Always remember to obtain one before setting out on your camping adventure. This not only ensures your safety but also helps in preserving the beautiful natural spaces for future generations. Happy camping, and see you in our next video.